Hello everyone, today I would like to share you my experience for making a origami turtle. So this is the turtle that I made with regular printing paper. So I put it here. And then I have taken a piece of paper and printed with my printer in green. So I will cut it in square. This is the regular letter sized paper, is rectangular. Here is 8.5, here is 11 inches. So I need a square shape. Like always, I fold a triangle this way. I will fold the extra part this way, and I will cut it with my knife or scissors. Okay, cut it from here. Take it away. Now I get a square shape paper. I will fold this edge and this edge to align together. Fold the color side inside. So then I will rotate my paper. Here is closed, here is opened. So from the open side, I will fold these two sides to align with the closed side. So I fold this way. I rotate my paper, I fold from this side same way, align this side to the closed side. And then here I have a long rectangular. Now I will fold this, the short edge to align together from the half. So it's quite easy, isn't it? Now I will open it. So I have this triangle. When I cut the paper, I fold it. So I will fold the triangle. So align this short line to this longer line. I will fold all the corners. So from the closed side. Why it is closed? Because here no edges. This side this is edged. Oh, this is the edge. This is closed. So I will fold with the two mountain side. So I fold corners up. And same way. I fold. Now this shape. Next step, I will create a line from this point to this point. So I will continue my folding. You can see this point and the corner point. I fold. And here, same way, I connect this point and this point with a line. Straight line. This side same way, connect this point with the straight line. So same way here, this point, create straight line. And then we adjust the lines. We need this part, the line, on the paper, this line, to be very, very soft. So I open my long triangle completely this way. Now I will take one, I will open it completely like this way, here. So now observe, I have two mountain lines here, and I will hold from here, I will push this mountain line to create a valley So this is the valley. And then from bottom here, I will let it extrude to create a mountain line inside. And from here, from this line, I will push down to become it, to change it into valley. Then I collapse it. So from here, same way, this is the mountain. I push inside, change it into the valley. So now it is a valley. Now I will push from bottom up to create a mountain from half from here. So a mountain was created, and this mountain is too high. I will push it from this part, a line along the line that we created previously. So I get the two corners from two sides. Okay. And now I will rotate my paper. I will treat this mountain same way as I did previously. I will push the mountain, change it to valley. Now change it to valley. And align the line I created previously. I will push, extrude it to a mountain. And from half I will push again from here to create another valley and collapse it. The last mountain I will make it change. So mountain, you will become a valley. Okay, we are traveling sometimes on mountain, sometimes in valley, sometimes again mountain. Okay, now we get this shape, the long triangle. So now I will fold it like this corner, and again this way, and then I will open here. I will open from here, you see, and I will push from here with my thumb. Okay, so I get this shape, and from this way, same way, I will just fold, roll, open from top with my finger and push. Okay, this way, same way. Same way. Here, same way. Up, roll, open from top, and push. Okay. So now I will just push the corners, fold back, and here same way, fold back. Now I will open from top, like this, and I will select one of the corner of this polygon to fold it inside. Okay. And then fold it back. Fold this back, corner back. And I've put the corner a little bit inside. So there is no corner here. Okay. Now this part I will fold like this way. Fold it to my side, to this side, to it. Let the corner point this way. Okay. Now I will fold this part. I will fold from here. Fold it inside. And let the corner also to back side to me, point to me. Okay. And now I will fold this corner a little bit inside. Fold this corner a little bit inside. And now I will fold it together like this. I will fold this side, this mountain, to create a small valley. A very small valley. Then I will adjust the valley, the length of the valley. And now I will adjust the head of my turtle. So this is my turtle I have created with a regular paper. It's easy, huh? Okay. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.